If you're using TradeSgnl, your trading strategy is already automated. But in this video, I want to show you how CloudConnect takes that a step further. With CloudConnect, your entire setup lives in the cloud. No downloading or installing an EA, no keeping your PC running, no setting up and managing a VPS. Everything runs for you, 24/7, right from your TradeSgnl dashboard. This is your connections page, the main page in your portal. Once you connect a broker account through CloudConnect, it shows up right here as a connection card under your license. The cloud chip tells you this connection is running through CloudConnect, meaning it's fully managed in the cloud. Next to it, you'll see the EA version your terminal is running, and TradeSgnl will auto-update that for you as new versions are released. Right in the header, you can see your live account data, balance, equity, and your current profit from open positions, color-coded and updated in real time. You don't need to open MetaTrader to check how your account is doing. It's all here. Click the card to expand it, and you get the full picture. On the right is your recent signal activity. Every signal that came in, the symbol, direction, volume, and whether it was delivered successfully. Click View Full Log to see the complete history for that account. On the left, you have your EA settings summary, volume source, TP/SL source, risk mode, lot size, drawdown limits. This is your EA's current configuration. Click View All Settings to open the full EA settings editor. This is where it gets powerful. You can configure every parameter your EA supports right here in the browser. Risk mode, lot sizing, take profit and stop loss, trailing stops, break even, drawdown limits, all of it. No need to open MetaTrader, attach the EA to a chart, or navigate MT5's inputs dialog. Just make your changes here and save. MetaTrader restarts briefly in the background to apply the changes, usually just a few seconds, and your broker connection comes back automatically. To connect a broker account in the first place, click Connect Account. A dialog will open asking for your MT5 credentials. Select your license, then enter your MT5 login number, password, and broker server name. Hit Connect. You'll see a live progress indicator as the system locates your broker, logs in, and verifies the connection. This usually takes under a minute. Once connected, you'll see a confirmation with your account details. The terminal password is shown here. Save it immediately. It's only displayed once. You'll need it to open the terminal in your browser. If you lose it, you can always reset it later. Click Done, and your broker connection appears on the Connections page, live and running. There's one more page worth knowing about, the CloudConnect page. This is where you manage the actual cloud terminals running behind your connections. Each connected broker account has a terminal card here showing the broker, account number, how long it's been running, and its current status. From here you can start, stop, restart, or delete a terminal, and reset the terminal password. But the button you'll use most is Open Terminal. Click Open Terminal, and your full MetaTrader 5 desktop launches in a new browser tab. Enter your terminal password, and you're in. Full MT5 from any browser on any device. You can view charts, check the EA in the navigator, look at the journal for detailed logs, or manually place and close trades. Use this whenever you need to go deeper than what the dashboard shows you. Close the tab when you're done. The terminal keeps running. Nothing stops. That's CloudConnect. Your strategy runs in the cloud around the clock. No EA to install, no PC to leave on, no VPS to set up or maintain. Everything you need is right here in your dashboard. Any questions? Drop them in the comments.